It's breaking actually. You can rejoin. Try rejoining. Okay. Afnan, Yasser, everything good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts from the last class? Anyone
sir,
has any doubts from the last class? Yes, Abdullah. Now you're audible. Any doubts you have?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So argument, modulus of complex number. Everyone is clear about that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yasir, Afnan. अफनान आप क्लियर हैं? पिछली क्लास में थोड़ी दिक्कत हो रही थी हमें. Speak, guys. If you do not speak, how will I know? Yasir, are you there?
Sir,
Yes.
I was not clear in the previous class.
We're not clear. So argument and modulus little bit difficult.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no worries. I'll explain again. Right. Just memorize this thing. Have you memorized this thing? How to find alpha?
No.
And what happens? No. Okay. If you do not memorize this thing, you will not be able to find argument. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So just remember this. Find alpha. What is alpha? Tan inverse y by x. All right.
Okay.
What is y and x? Suppose you have a complex number 3 plus 4i. Okay. So this is y, this is x. I के साथ जो है वो y है, जो normally है वो x. All right.
Yes, sir.
Alpha कैसे निकलेगा? Tan inverse y by x. Very simple.
Yes.
Forget about negative positive. Just write tan inverse y by x. Everything positive. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you have to check x comma y, which quadrant they lie in. First, second, third, fourth. Right. If I tell you 1 comma minus 1, which quadrant does it lie in? Afnan?
Sir, again, sir, not here.
1 comma minus 1, which quadrant does it lie in? First, second, third, fourth?
What lies in what, sir?
1 comma minus 1. This is a point, right?
Yes.
So which quadrant does it lie in?
Already, sir.
Oh, okay, I got the dikkat point. All right. Class 10th, coordinate geometry. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. If you move right, x is positive. If you move left, x is negative.
Negative.
All right. If I move 5 points towards right and 4 points towards up, then I reach a point 5,4, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is first quadrant, yes or no?
Yes.
Just give me 1 second. Okay. So in first quadrant, x is positive, y is positive.
Yes, sir.
In the second quadrant, x is negative, but y is positive. Right? X में हम left में चल रहे हैं, y में तो ऊपर ही जा रहे हैं.
Yes.
Okay. In the third quadrant, both are negative. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive, but y is negative. X हमारे पास right में है, y हमारे पास नीचे है. So x will be positive, y will be negative. Yes or no, Afnan?
Yes, sir.
So same way, if I say z equals to 3 minus 4i, यहाँ y की वैल्यू बताना कितना है?
Y3.
y कौन होता है जो i के साथ होता है?
I4. -4.
Minus 4. And x is
3.
So what is tan alpha? What is tan alpha? Tan inverse y by x.
y
Okay,
4/3.
4/3. Right, very good. We do not care about negative positive when finding alpha. So हमें अल्फा मिल गया. अब ये बताओ 3, -4 कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में है?
3, -4 quadrant.
फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. वेरी गुड. So अब आपको ये रटना पड़ेगा यार. If x, y lies in first quadrant, argument of z is alpha itself. ऐसे आपको मैंने सब लिखवा रखा है. ओके.
Yes, sir.
फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में आर्गुमेंट क्या होता है? माइनस अल्फा. तो हमारे पास यहाँ अल्फा क्या है?
4/3.
अल्फा इज यस tan इनवर्स 4/3. तो आर्गुमेंट ऑफ z थीटा क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस ऑफ अल्फा. ठीक है.
Okay.
अब आ गया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
और मॉडुलस कैसे निकालेंगे? मॉड z 3 का स्क्वायर प्लस 4 का स्क्वायर का अंडर रूट, 3 का स्क्वायर प्लस 4 का स्क्वायर, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर का अंडर रूट. ठीक है.
Okay.
अब्दुल्ला, यासर, क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके. यासर, यू आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग एट ऑल. Okay, let's see. A question, everyone needs to answer this. If z equals to 1 minus I or -1 minus I, find mod z and argument of z. Okay. अफनान भाई कर लोगे?
Sir, there is no value for y.
There is no value of
Y.
y. नहीं नहीं, जहाँ कोई नहीं होता वहाँ 1 होता है. I के साथ यहाँ पर कौन है? 1 into I.
Okay.
So what is the value of y here?
Y
Y is
is 1, -1.
-1. Very good. And Abdullah, you are able to solve this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yasir, are you there in the class or not?
I am.
You are clear about this, finding argument and mod?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please solve this. No, Abdullah, mod z, remember you have to square, right? So सारे negative positive हो जाते हैं. Yasir, absolutely correct. Very good. Abdullah, got the mistake? Okay. Afnan, please take me through all the steps. What is the first step?
It lies in the third quadrant.
First step. मुझे पहला step ही नहीं आता. What should I write the first step?
Y equals -1.
Okay.
X equals -1.
Very good. Now second step.
I don't know, sir.
अरे क्या निकालते हैं इसके बाद? What should we find after this? एक हमारे पास हथियार है ना? That is alpha.
Alpha.
So how to find alpha?
And -1.
This is tan inverse. Okay.
Tan
Tan
inverse.
inverse.
-1 by -1.
-1 by -1, which is
-1.
-1 by -1 is
-1.
minus plus 1. Okay. So what will be the angle? tan कितने पे 1 बन जाता है?
Sir, what, sir?
At what angle does tan become 1? Tan theta, if I write tan theta is 1, then theta must be yes, Yasir, Abdullah, correct answer. Afnan, do you remember the trigonometric table?
No, I don't. I did not memorize it, sir.
You did not memorize it. All right. Next class, I'll be asking you all the values. Okay?
Okay, sir.
सब याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती हमें. Just remember sin, cos, and tan. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So at 45 degree, this is 1. Okay? So what quadrant does it lie in? -1, -1?
And the third quadrant.
Third quadrant. In third quadrant, argument of z is minus
-180 by
180 minus 1. Very good. Minus 180 minus 45. So minus 135. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So two things you have to remember. One is this memorization of all the trigonometric table. Second, finding alpha. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So let's move on. Very good, Abdullah and Yasser. Now mod z, Afnan. What is mod z?
Mod z
स्क्वायर
1
करके
square
ऐड
plus
कर दो बस. यस, -1 स्क्वायर प्लस
plus
-1 स्क्वायर
-1 square.
का रूट. So
2
-1 square is 2√2. Okay.
√2.
All right. So I hope this is absolutely clear to all of you. Next, last topic remains polar form. Okay, polar form. अब ये polar वो polar bear वाला नहीं है. Polar form means suppose there is a number, complex number z, right, and r is the modulus of z. Okay, from origin to the z, this is the distance, and this angle is theta, which is the argument. Right, everyone? Abdullah, Yasir, Afnan.
Yes, sir.
And here the coordinates are x, y. Okay. यार आप mic use कर सकते हैं. Abdullah, Yasir, please try to use your mics. Okay. So this coordinate till here is x, and this height is y. So if I use trigonometric functions here, Can anyone tell me in this triangle ABC, what is sine theta? This is 90 degree.
PC divided. Oh, sine theta.
BC divided by
AB.
AB. Very good. What is the value of BC?
Y.
Y. And what is AB?
Alpha.
R. This is R. Okay.
Okay.
So sine theta is y by r, and this is because this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, Afnan,
Yes, sir.
फटाफट से 10th की ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रिवाइज कर लो, वरना जिंदगी बड़ी बुरी होने वाली है 11 12 में. ऑलराइट,
Yes, sir.
trigonometry is the most important chapter in 11th and 12th. Okay,
Okay.
so sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so हमने BC upon AB लिख दिया. Yeah, so can I write y equals to r sin theta? Yes or no? Cross
Yes,
multiplying
okay.
this. Got it, Afnan?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can anyone tell me, Afnan, what is cos theta here in the same triangle ABC? What is cos theta?
Y by R.
No. Cos theta we write as base upon hypotenuse.
AC divided by AB.
Very good. AC divided by A. Clear, Afnan?
Yes, sir.
What is base? थीटा के साथ जो जुड़ा हुआ है ना नीचे, that is base. थीटा के सामने वाला is perpendicular.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So AC by AB, AC is X,
X.
AB is R. So we can say X is R cos theta. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now complex number we know this is X plus IY. X की जगह हम लिख सकते हैं R cos theta plus I, Y is R sin theta. That means we can take R common. This is cos theta plus I sin theta. This is called polar form, a polar format, where R is mod Z, modulus of this, and theta is argument of Z. Is it clear, everyone?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Please write it down, everyone. Okay, Asir. Done, everyone?
Done, sir.
Okay. So what does this mean? That if you have to convert into polar format, then always find mod Z and then argument, you can find the answer. What I mean by this is, suppose they say Z is a complex number 1 plus iota. Write its polar form. Okay, so first step is to find R, which is mod Z. So can anyone tell me what is the mod Z here? Very good, Abdullah. Yasir Afnan.
Root 2.
Root 2. Right, Afnan, root 2. You missed a root. Okay. Now, Afnan, what is y here? And this complex number, what is y? No, Afnan, अच्छे से देखिए. 1 plus iota they have written. One. And what is x? One. So alpha would be tan inverse 1 by 1, which is Afnan. Tan inverse 1 कितना होता है? अभी हमने निकाला था. This is 45 degree. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what quadrant does it lie in? 1 plus iota.
First quad.
Okay. So alpha will be equal to theta, which is argument of z, which is 45 degree. Okay. Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So polar format, z we know this is r cos theta plus I sin theta. Value of r is root 2. Cos theta is cos 45 degree plus I sin 45 degree. This is the answer. अब इसको और सिंप्लीफाई मत कर देना, वरना फिर से वही मिल जाएगा. ओके. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes or no? Afnan, Yasir?
Yes, sir.
No, Yasir. This is cool. All right. If you again put the values, then you will get back to this. Right?
Okay, sir.
All right. So solve one question. All right. Few minutes for this. Just give me 1 minute. Afnan, you can solve this.
I'll try, sir.
Okay. Okay, Yasir. You Forgot one minus, I guess. In fourth quadrant, theta is minus alpha. Right? Yasir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abdullah, solved it? Almost. All right. Yes, Abdullah. Absolutely correct answer. All right, Afnan. Afnan, what is R here? Mod Z? Afnan, how to find this? Under root? What will be the mod Z, Afnan? Okay, 1 square plus 1 square. Why? Can you please open your mic and say?
Yes, sir.
Why do you say this is 1 square plus 1 square? What is the value of x here
X is 1,
and y?
root 3.
Root
3.
3. So what will be mod Z? This is x square
X
plus
square
y
plus.
square, right?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me,
1 square plus root 3 square.
and this is 1 square is 1, root 3 square is
I don't know.
root 3 into root 3. What is root 3 into root 3?
Root 6. Root 9.
No, this is 3. Yes, root 9 is 3, right?
3. Yeah, yeah.
So 3 plus 1 is,
4.
and under root 4 is
Root 4. 2. Root 2.
2, only 2, right? Under root 4 is 2. Okay,
Okay, sir.
all right. Now theta, but to find theta, first we have to find alpha. Alpha will be tan inverse y by x, so root 3 by 1. All right.
Okay.
So this is 60 degree. Guys, you wrote 30 degree. Abdullah and Yasir,
Yeah.
right? आप लोगों को भी टेबल याद नहीं? Abdullah, Yasir, tan root 3 we get at 1060, right? So theta will be, oops, ओके भाई ऐसा उप्स करते रह जाओगे, नंबर ले जाएंगे स्कूल वाले। हाँ जी हाँ जी, डोंट वरी, जब ट्रिग्नोमेट्री स्टार्ट होगी ना डंडा पकड़ के पढ़ाऊंगा मैं। ओके, थीटा विल बी एट फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट, नो या फिर tan इनवर्स y by x, राइट? Okay. Okay. So at the fourth quadrant, theta becomes minus alpha, so minus 60. So polar form Z is 2 into cos theta, cos of minus 60 plus I sin theta minus 60. And as you guys know, cos जो है नेगेटिव साइन खा जाता है, so cos of 60 plus साइन बाहर फेंक देता है, so Z will be this. Okay everyone?
Yes, sir.
And Afnan, please work on your maths, all right?
Yes.
Okay, and this is I'm saying very seriously, you have to start with the basics. Okay, if you have any doubts, just ask the team and I'll explain everything. Okay,
Okay.
but if you start now, in 1-2 months you will be really good at it. Okay,
Yes.
अभी बिल्कुल भी फोकस लूज मत करो, अभी जरूरत है, अभी आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री थोड़ी समझनी पड़ेगी, थोड़ा बहुत इक्वेशन सॉल्विंग समझना पड़ेगा. ओके
Yes, sir.
ओके देन, तो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर जो है वो हो गया हमारा खत्म. छोटा सा टॉपिक है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, क्लास 10 टॉपिक. यस एवरीवन?
Yes.
Quadratic equation looks like this. And who can tell me the quadratic formula? That bada sa formula you must have memorized.
Sir.
No,
Is b square minus
Abdullah, your voice is very low.
minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Yasir, have you memorized it? Okay, no worries. Afnan? A very important formula. Okay, you cannot forget your name even. That's a formula mat bolna. Okay, so how to memorize this? X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac का अंडर रूट बाय 2a. फ्लो में याद करोगे तो हो जाएगा. ओके अफनान,
Okay, sir.
प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. Done everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please find the roots. What does it give you? If this is a quadratic equation, then roots will be given by this. X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2. Suppose you have equation 3x square plus 2x and minus 4 equals to 0. Can you tell me the values of x? Just use this formula and tell me the answer. Okay, Afnan? What is the value of A here? Okay, what is B? B. See, what is the coefficient of X? X के साथ जो लिखा हुआ है वो B होता है. अफनान, X के साथ यहाँ पर 1 लिखा हुआ है. अफनान भाई पहले तो माइक ओपन करो, है ना, चैट करते हैं आप बार बार. X के साथ what is the coefficient of X here?
3
इक्वेशन पढ़ना एक बारी.
3x square plus 2x minus 4 equals
आगे
0.
यस, -4 = 0. तो X के साथ कौन लिखा हुआ है?
x के साथ 3 square
अरे X के बगल में कौन लिखा हुआ है?
3. Oh,
नहीं,
another one.
कौन है ये?
2.
2. ओके, इसको कोफिशिएंट बोलते हैं ना.
Yes sir.
ओके, एंड C की वैल्यू कितनी है यहाँ पर?
-4.
-4. अभी क्लियर है थोड़ा?
Yes sir.
पक्का?
Yes.
ठीक है. Now just put the values here and get the answer. All right. I'll give you 2 minutes. Got the answer, everyone? B square is 4, -4, A is 3, C is -4, all divided by 2 into 3. Afnan, yes or no?
I'm still doing.
Okay. Done, everyone? Afnan, Abdullah, Yasser. अरे कर लिया तीनों ने सॉल्व? अब्दुल्ला?
नो सर।
नो। कहाँ दिक्कत है अफनान? लेट्स सी। माइनस बी प्लस माइनस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. So minus b, what is minus b here, Afnan?
माइनस बी माइनस टू
Minus 2. Minus 2, right? Plus minus, what is b square?
4
4. And can you find 4ac?
50
4, no. 4 into 3 is?
12
12 into 4 is?
48
48. So this is minus 48. 4ac is minus 48, yes or no, Afnan?
yes sir
Upon 6.
yes
अब अंडर रूट के अंदर जो है माइनस माइनस प्लस हो रहा है. So 4 plus 48 by 6. So this is minus 2 plus minus 52 by 6. Now how to find the under root of 52? We can write it as 4 into 13 upon 6. Right, Afnan?
yes sir
So under root 4 is?
root 4 2
Root 4. दो होता है ना, root 4 is 2. So can we
4
write
is
it as this? Minus 2 root 13. क्योंकि देखो 13 तो बहुत ढीठ इंसान है ना, जिद्दी. उसको हम रूट रूट नहीं निकाल सकते. So we left it as it is. But under root 4 we can write it as 2 upon 6. Now we can take 2 common from the numerator. What remains? Minus 1 plus minus root 13 upon 6. Okay, Afnan?
yes sir
So this is 3. This is the final answer. Okay.
okay
Abdullah, Yasser, clear?
minus 1
Yes,
plus
sir.
minus 13
Okay. You can note it down, Afnan. Please note it down.
yes sir
All right. There is something called discriminator. This is denoted as t, and it is b square minus 4ac. Just write it down that if d is positive, then roots are real and distinct. If d is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. D less than 0, the roots are imaginary. Okay. अगर d पॉजिटिव है तो रूट्स रियल होंगे, अलग अलग होंगे. d इक्वल टू 0 है तो रूट्स रियल होंगे, इक्वल होंगे. लेस देन 0 तो रूट्स इमेजिनरी होंगे. Please write it down. Tell me when you are done. And then solve this question. Alright, this is called nature of rules. Okay, Abdullah, Yasir, Afnan, you can solve this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 2 minutes. Please solve it. Very easy question. Just find the value of D. Afnan, can you solve this?
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
Okay. Okay, Yasir. Abdullah, done? Afnan, Abdullah, this is clear? Very good. Afnan? How are you finding 180? What is the value of D here? Afnan?
So that's B square, right?
Yes, B square minus 4AC.
Square minus 4 squared,
So what is B here in this equation? What is B?
16. Minus 4.
Minus 4. So minus 4 square minus
6.
4. What is A?
16.
The value of A. Just tell me the
Value
value
of
of
A,
A
5.
and C.
3.
3. So we can simplify. This is 16 and minus. What is the value of this?
4. 16 minus 4.
4 into 5 into 3. 4 5s are 60, right? So 16 minus 60 is minus 44. Right, Afnan?
Yes.
Okay. So if t is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this chapter is complete. Any doubts, anyone? कोई भी डाउट है किसी को? Okay. Let's see. Next chapter is sets. सबसे पहला चैप्टर, सबसे इजी चैप्टर, कुछ भी नहीं है चैप्टर में. Okay. What is a set? Set is a collection of well defined objects. मतलब क्या, ये एक बैग है. ओके, आपके पास बहुत सारे सामान रखे हुए थे, उन सबको एक बैग में डालना है. दैट बैग इज कॉल्ड सेट्स. बट याद क्या रखना है? कलेक्शन ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स. Okay, so suppose I write A is set of all brothers. Is it well defined, everyone?
No, sir.
No. भाई किसके भाई, कहाँ के भाई? But if I write set of all brothers of Afnan, is it well defined?
Yes, sir. Very well.
Yes. So this is a set. This is not a set. सबको क्लियर हो गया? Abdullah, Yasir, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I say set of all cricketers. Is it well defined? Is it a set?
No, sir.
Why not, Afnan?
We don't know the cricketer.
Yes, we do not, right? Afnan, आप भी क्रिकेटर हो सकते हो, मैं भी क्रिकेटर हो सकता हूँ. किसको रखें, किसको नहीं, ये नहीं पता. But if I write set of all cricketers in Indian team, then this is a set. Okay, and it's clear. Please write it
Yes,
down.
it's clear.
Okay, write it down. Tell me when you are done. Done. Okay. Okay. Forms of set. How to represent a set? Okay, two methods are there. Roster form, set builder form. Okay, roster form and set builder form. Remember one thing else. जैसे हमने यहाँ बोला set of all cricketers in Indian team. So if I say Sachin Tendulkar इस सेट में होगा या नहीं होगा? सपोज वो खेल रहा भी है ना, रिटायर नहीं हुआ भाई हमारा. सचिन तेंदुलकर सेट बी में होगा या नहीं होगा? He'll be there, right? So we say S belongs to B. Alright, S means Sachin. Sachin belongs to B. Remember this? This is one symbol. If any element, right, सेट के अंदर जितनी चीजें हमने रखी हैं उनको एलिमेंट्स बोलते हैं. If any element is in a set B, then we say suppose any element A is in set B, then we say A belongs to B, or A is in B, or A belongs to B। ठीक है, ये सिंबल बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। A belongs to B का मतलब ये सिंबल क्या है, belongs to। ठीक है, सचिन B सेट में है। दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल?
Yes, sir.
ओके, इसका दूसरा, इसका ऑपोजिट क्या है, इफ एनी एलिमेंट A is not in set B, then we say A does not belong to B or A is not in B, और इसका सिंबल कैसा है, A does not belong to B। ओके, is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Please write it down. Done everyone? Okay. So description of set. Two formats, roster form, set builder form. Okay, first is set builder or roster form. A set is represented as elements separated by commas in curly brackets. For an example, if I say set A is set of all natural numbers. What is natural numbers? Does anyone know? Natural numbers किसे कहते हैं?
Numbers that come from 1 to infinity.
1 to infinite, right? All positive integers. So यहाँ set A को कैसे लिखेंगे हम? Curly brackets 1 2 3 4 5 डॉट 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 डॉट। इन्फाइनाइट तक जा रहा है तो हमने डॉट 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 लगा दिया। All the elements must be separated by comma. Okay. Clear everyone? If
Yes,
I say B is a set of all integers, then हम क्या लिखेंगे? B equals to -5 -4 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 5 डॉट डॉट डॉट। ठीक है, पीछे भी डॉट डॉट। ओके, Is everyone clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I mention set A, set of natural numbers more than 6 but less than 10. कौन बताएगा क्या होगा सेट ए में?
7, 8, 9.
Very good. Okay, everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please write it down, everyone. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, question आप लोगों के लिए. Right solution of x square minus x minus 2 equals 0 in roster form. Okay, this is mix of question from quadratic equation and this. पहले आपको solution निकालना पड़ेगा and उसको set में लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay? Afnan, can do this? Yasser, Abdullah, Afnan, you guys can solve this, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have to
Okay.
find the value of D, right?
Yes, x. Remember the formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? आज ही करा हमने.
Yes, sir.
उससे आप x निकाल लो, उसको रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिख लो.
Okay, sir.
Okay, few minutes for this. Guys, just give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. Afnan, you're solving this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yasser, very good. Absolutely correct answer. Afnan Abdullah got the answer. अफनान भाई आ गया आंसर? Nine? No. Some mistake is done there. What is the
So
value
for
of
D,
A here?
1
1. And B?
-1
C?
-2.
-2. So let's use the formula. X will be equals to minus B.
No, I
So
did for
minus
D,
of.
sir.
No. You have to find X, right? This is not nature of roots. You have to find the roots itself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you have to use this formula. Okay. After that, you will find the values of X is -1, 2. I believe. Okay. So set will be curly brackets -1, 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Very good, Abdullah. Yes, sir. Okay. Next question. Let's see who can solve this. Write the set where X is such that X is a positive integer and X square is less than 40 in roster form. Okay. What they are saying? All the X where X is a positive integer and X square should be less than 40. तो आपको ऐसे X सोचने हैं where X is a positive integer and X square is less than 40. Can you guys do this? Afnan? Yes, Abdullah, absolutely correct. Afnan, yes or no? They are saying X square should be less than 40 and X is a positive integer. Afnan, positive
One.
integers कहाँ से start होते हैं?
1.
1. So if I put X equals to 1, ये true होगा या false?
It's less than 40.
Yes, 1 square is less than 40. This is true or not?
True, sir.
अगर मैं X की वैल्यू 2 रखूं तो ये true होगा या false?
True.
अगर 3 रखूं क्या होगा?
1 to 90.
1 to 90. Are you sure?
19.
19. Is it correct? Let's see. 3 रखेंगे तो 3 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है?
9.
9. 9 is less than 40. 4 का स्क्वायर?
4, 16.
5 का?
25.
6 का?
36.
7 का?
49.
तो क्या 7 का स्क्वायर इज लेस देन 40?
No, sir.
नो. तो यही तो होगा ना बस. ओके.
Okay, sir.
आगे समझ में कैसे कर रहे हैं?
Yes. Understood.
All right. So this is the answer. Let's try another question. Right. The set where X is such that X is divisible by 5 is a positive integer and less than 35. Okay, I'll give you a few minutes. In roster form. Afnan, think again. It should be divisible by 5. यहाँ स्क्वायर की बात नहीं कर रहे हम. पॉजिटिव इंटीजर कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? 1 से। 1 से थिंक ऑफ ऑल द नंबर्स that should be less than 35 but divisible by 5. Okay. Very good, Abdullah. No, Afnan. Is 1 divisible by 5? None.
Sorry, sir.
Now you got my point.
Yes.
Please tell me the answer.
Five.
Right. 5. Then
Less than 35.
5 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा?
6, sir.
6. 6 is divisible by 5.
No, sir.
Think
No,
of
it's
the
not
number.
divisible by 5.
Hmm?
It's not divisible. It's
Right.
not divisible
So
by
the
5.
next number would be
10.
10. Then
15. 20. 25.
उसके बाद आएगा कोई नंबर?
30.
उसके बाद
35.
उसके बाद
Less than 35.
yes. So 35 itself is not less than 35, right? So 35 भी
Yes.
नहीं आएगा. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now I hope this is clear. Okay. Very good, Yasser. Okay. So this was roster form. Next is set builder form. Okay. Set builder form. ये definition लिख लो पहले. In this form, set is described by a characterizing property of its elements. In such a case, the set is described by x is such that p of x holds. Which is read as the set of all x such that p of x holds. ओके, ये लिख लीजिए, मैं समझाता हूँ आपको क्या कह रहे हैं. Done everyone? Noted this?
Done, sir.
Okay. So what they are saying in this form, set is described by characterizing property. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा ना, मैम ऐसे स्कूल में सर या मैम बोलते हैं कि भाई इस क्लास के बच्चे सबसे ज्यादा गधे हैं, है ना? Ever heard that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं बोला कि भाई अफनान सबसे ज्यादा गधा है या अब्दुल्ला सबसे ज्यादा गधा है, यासिर सबसे, उन्होंने एक प्रॉपर्टी उठाई कि सब गधे हैं और सबको डिस्क्राइब कर दिया कि इस क्लास के सारे बच्चे गधे हैं। तो उन्होंने कौन सा मेथड अपनाया? सेट बिल्डर मेथड। दैट कैरेक्टराइजिंग प्रॉपर्टी, तुम सब गधे हो, दैट वाज द कैरेक्टराइजिंग प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इट्स एलिमेंट्स। आ गया सबको समझ में?
Yes, sir.
तो एक कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी ढूंढनी होती है बस कि कॉमन क्या उनमें, ठीक है? इन सच ए केस द सेट इज डिस्क्राइब्ड बाय x सच दैट p ऑफ x होल्ड्स। मतलब क्या? वो सारे x जहां पर p ऑफ x ट्रू होगा, है ना? ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स वेयर स्टूडेंट्स आर गधा, तो आप सबका नाम आ जाएगा वहां पर। आगे समझ में? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
जैसे कि अभी हमने ये करा था, set of all x where x is a positive integer and less than 40। तो ये कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी थी ना उनमें, और ये कंडीशन भी ट्रू चाहिए थी हमें। यस और नो? अफनान, अब्दुल्ला, यासिर?
Yes, sir.
तो इसी को क्या बोलते हैं? सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म। वी आर ऑलरेडी यूजिंग दैट। ओके, all right everyone is understood this clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for an example, suppose I give you 1 2 3 4 5 6, हमें कह रहा है कि इसको सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखो। तो पहले तो हम क्या लिख देंगे? x सच दैट, है ना? सेट ऑफ ऑल x सच दैट। अब हमें सोचना है कि इसमें कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी क्या है। तो कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट इज द कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी हियर?
Positive
कौन सी?
numbers.
पॉजिटिव नंबर, बिल्कुल सही। तो कहना इसे पॉजिटिव नंबर्स मतलब,
Less than
सॉरी,
positive natural numbers less than 7.
एब्सोल्युटली। तो हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं कि x बिलोंग्स टू n, जहां n इज नेचुरल नंबर्स, राइट अफनान?
Yes, sir.
बट क्या ये एनफ है?
We have more properties
यस, which is
that less than 7 and
very
that's
good, very good. And x is less than 7 also. क्या अब एनफ है?
yeah, it's enough.
Very good, absolutely correct अफनान. So this is what set builder form is. Okay, Abdullah, Yasir, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So this is all for today's class, and don't leave now. Just wait 2 minutes. Okay. आज आपके लिए कुछ स्पेशल प्लान करा हम लोगों ने, ठीक है? एक असेसमेंट होगा आपका आफ्टर एवरी क्लास, 10 मिनट्स, 5-10 मिनट्स लगेंगे आपको। 2-3 क्वेश्चन है उसमें, ठीक है? जो भी क्लास में हुआ वो आपको कितना समझ में आया वो चेक करने के लिए वो असेसमेंट होगा, ठीक है? अच्छा परफॉर्म करिएगा सब।
Okay.
अरे सरप्राइज टेस्ट नहीं है भाई, कोई जान नहीं ले रहा आपकी, ठीक है? दिस इज जस्ट टू चेक, ओके? आपको कितना समझ में आया, आपके कॉन्सेप्ट में कहाँ फ्लॉज है। ऑलराइट अब्दुल्ला, आपके बेटर के लिए भाई, टेस्ट जब होगा ना आपको 1 हफ्ता पहले बता दिया जाएगा, ठीक है? सारे टेस्ट मैं बनाता हूँ, ध्यान रखना, मुश्किल आएंगे टेस्ट में, ठीक है? असेसमेंट एंड असाइनमेंट्स आर फॉर योर बेनिफिट्स, ठीक है, आप लोग क्या करते हो, पेपर से पहले भागा दौड़ी करते हो, परेशान होते हो, तो रिवीजन नहीं हुआ, रिवीजन नहीं हुआ। तो लर्निवियो ने बहुत ही अच्छा सिस्टम कर रखा है यहाँ पर। हम क्या करेंगे, हर क्लास के बाद एक असेसमेंट होगा, ठीक है, 10 मिनट्स का, जिससे हमने जो भी पढ़ाई करी उससे आपका सॉलिडिफाई हो जाएगा, है ना, कॉन्सेप्ट। उसके बाद आपको मिलेंगे असाइनमेंट्स। असाइनमेंट्स में भी ऐसा नहीं हमने 25-25, 30-30 क्वेश्चन दे दिए, देख के थक जाता है इंसान। हमने 4 to 5 क्वेश्चन डाल रखे हैं बस, जो आपको 2-3 डेज में करने हैं। कर सकते हो इतना सब कोई,
Yes, sir.
है ना, अब्दुल्ला, यासर? तो आप हर बार हर क्लास के बाद असाइनमेंट जरूर करना, उसमें कोई डाउट हो तो जरूर पूछना अगली क्लास
Sir,
में, उससे आपका रिवीजन होता रहेगा। हाँ जी बोलिए।
this assignment questions, do they come from the textbook, sir?
Yes, mixed question there will be. All right. We tend to give like from different formats, all the books, NCERT, previous year questions, and different things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And it is all available in the website. Just log in using your IDs and it will be done. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Do not leave. Okay. Let me talk to the team. We'll start the assessment. Okay. So everyone is clear about set builder method? Yes or
Yes, sir.
no? ठीक है, आपको स्क्रीन शेयर हम कुछ टाइम में कर रहे हैं, 2 मिनट्स लगेंगे। तब तक आपको कुछ और बता देता हूँ, ये लिख लो सारे। n मतलब होता है सेट ऑफ ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स। ओके, इसका मतलब होता है 1 2 3 4 टिल इनफाइनाइट। ऑलराइट। r मतलब होता है सेट ऑफ ऑल रियल नंबर्स। वेरी गुड अब्दुल्ला। रियल नंबर्स मीन्स -5, -4, -3.5, 1 2 3 एटसेट्रा, सारे नंबर्स। ठीक है। z, व्हाट इज z अब्दुल्ला? integers, very good, set of all integers. Okay, so please write it down. q, q क्या होता है? What is q? Rational numbers, very good. Okay, please write it down. You should memorize this. एक क्वेश्चन और कर लेते हैं हम। Write it down. A is 3 6 9 12. Okay, write in set builder form. तो यहाँ देखो सेट ए में हमारे पास एलिमेंट्स हैं 3, 6, 9, 12. ऑलराइट, ऑल द एलिमेंट्स आर 3, 6, 9, 12. Afnan, what is the common property you can see here?
They are all divisible by 3.
Very good. Less than 15.
Less than 13.
Right. Yeah, sir. So can I say -6? Given your condition, is -6 not there according to you? Okay, Afnan, you are saying
What's it?
what common property is multiple of 3, right?
Yeah.
What else?
Mm,
They are all positive.
Yeah, they're all positive. And less than 13.
Less than 13, right? So how to write this? Always check what is varying. This is 3 into 1. N is less than 5, right, Abdullah? Not more than 5. This is 3 into 2. Very good, Abdullah. This is 3 into 3. This is 3 into 4. Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So remember that thing which is varying, आप उसको variable ले लो. That means पहले तो हम ये लिख लेंगे A is all x such that x is equals to 3 तो constant है सब पे, तो 3n, n को वेरी करा देंगे. n is a variable और n पे कंडीशन डाल दो. n belongs to natural number because all are positive. Yes or no, Afnan?
Yes, sir.
And n is less than 5. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. This is clear. Afnan, yeah, sir. This thing is clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Okay. अब आप assessment करिए. Okay. After that, you can leave the class after the assessment. Not now. All right. Take care, guys. Starting the assessment.
अब गाने जैसे